Hello everyone, welcome to Korvia's Guide to the EPIK online application. Today, we will walk you through the key points you need to successfully complete your application. Let's get started. First, a quick overview of the timeline. You must submit your Korvia application first. Once reviewed, you will be notified when the official EPIK online application opens. After you submit your EPIK application, interviews usually take place 1 to 2 months later. If you pass, you will begin sending your required documents to Korea. Final placements are announced after document approval, followed by the visa process. Successful applicants will arrive in Korea for orientation and begin their contract shortly after. Now, let's focus on the online application. When you open the EPIK application, the most important step is selecting Agency under Classification and choosing Korvia Consulting. This ensures your application is sent to us for review first. If you do not select Korvia, your application will go directly to EPIK and may cause delays. For visa type, most applicants will select the E2 visa. If you hold a different visa, such as an F visa, please contact us for guidance. In the travel history section, list your trips from most recent at the top to oldest at the bottom. You may enter up to 4 entries. Always use the end date to determine the order. In your education section, list your full 12 years of schooling from earliest to most recent, starting with elementary school through high school, as well as any university or college education. For teaching experience, include both formal and informal roles such as tutoring, coaching, student teaching, or volunteer instruction. Non-teaching jobs should be listed separately. For employment history, list from most recent at the top to oldest at the bottom based on end dates. On the second page, you will answer medical questions and declare any tattoos. If you have visible tattoos, you must upload photos, include the approximate size in centimeters, describe the tattoo, and explain how you will cover it while teaching. Next are the personal essay questions. There are 7 short answer questions with word limits. We strongly recommend writing close to the maximum word count. Be detailed, specific, and genuine. Avoid very short responses. For the lesson plan, choose a conversational English topic rather than a grammar-heavy topic. Strong examples include everyday situations like going to the supermarket, discussing emotions, or visiting the dentist. Avoid overly simple topics like self-introduction. Make your lesson interactive and activity-based. Most importantly, do not use AI to generate your essays or lesson plan. EPIK and Korvia have strict guidelines. AI-generated or plagiarized content will result in automatic disqualification. You may use tools to check grammar, but the writing must be entirely your own. Please also understand that due to the competitive nature of the intake, Korvia may decline to proceed with your application if the overall quality is not strong. If your essays are incomplete, contain many grammar or spelling errors, or show major issues, we may choose not to move forward. Take your time, proofread carefully, and follow all instructions. Now, let's discuss required documents. You must submit 2 recommendation letters. These are required to begin your EPIK application and should be your top priority. Without them, you cannot properly start the process. EPIK is extremely strict about recommendation letter requirements. Every criterion must be met. The letter must include official letterhead or a company logo, full contact information including phone number, email address, and physical mailing address, and the referee's full legal first and last name, no initials or nicknames. The letter must also include their official title, an issue date within the last 2 years, and a handwritten signature. It should be 1 to 2 full pages and clearly describe your work ethic and professionalism. Some applicants, including those from South Africa, Quebec, or international schools, must also submit a proof of English education letter confirming that their schooling from grades 7 to 12 was conducted in English. Because these letters are mandatory for the application stage, prioritize securing them first. All other major documents are required later, after the interview with EPIK. After passing the interview, you will then submit additional documents such as your apostilled background check, apostilled diploma, sealed transcripts, passport photos, and TEFL certificate. These are not needed at the online application stage, but we recommend preparing them early. To maximize your chance of placement, submit your application as early as possible, as placements are competitive and handled on a first-come, first-served basis. We hope our guide was helpful. Thanks for watching.